What's the meaning of backbencher? Backbencher. Backbencher.
Backbencher. Backbencher. The term backbencher in politics refers to a member of a legislative body, such as a parliament or Congress, who does not hold a leadership position or serve on a committee. Instead, backbenchers sit on the back rows of the chamber and are generally considered to have less influence and power than their colleagues in leadership positions. However, backbenchers can still play an important role in shaping legislation by voicing their opinions and voting on bills. In some cases, backbenchers may also be able to influence policies and decisions through the use of parliamentary tactics such as filibusters or private members' bills.